So can you edit GoPro videos on Android? Well, if that's the question, the short answer is yes, of course, but how exactly are you going to do this? Well, you will need to use some sort of video editor app on your Android phone. Plenty of options to pick from, so I can only give you my favorites. And if you ask me, it's the CapCut, which is free, right? But there are some like premium features and only a few exports without the watermark, which didn't used to be that way, but that's what we have to deal with. But it's one of the best apps to edit videos on Android and iPhone as well. So if you get that application, you can import your GoPro clips into that app and perform so many different changes to your videos. Usually the problem is to connect and get the footage off of your GoPro into your Android, right? So for that, there are more ways how you can fix it or achieve that result. Personally, I like to take out the SD card outside of the GoPro, put it into an adapter, and another one essentially just connect it through the USB-C port at the bottom, and then access the files in my file browser. So that's how I like to do this. But outside of that, you also have the Quick app from GoPro. And if you do not have that, I would recommend you to get it, because using this app, no matter if you have Android or iPhone, you can control your GoPro wirelessly, grab the footage, and do so many different things like change the settings and everything directly through that app. One of the features, as I mentioned, is getting and transferring the videos wirelessly. So you can also just take them this way off of your GoPro and save them to your phone, where you can import them into the CapCut or other video editor and end up with a nice result. So that's how you can basically do this. Most definitely let me know below in the comments what you think about it. Subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.